Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today you join us at my mate Ish's place, Quattro Coachworks, and the reason for that is that we're doing a little update on our GR Supra. I've had this car for a little while. It was wrapped for the Essen Motor Show, but the plan was always to take this wrap off and go back to red, and there was a particular reason for that. Firstly, because we've designed an Evero body kit for this car, which is going to be out quite soon, and I can't wait to share with you. It looks absolutely wild. But secondly, because we were always meant to have a carbon roof fitted to this car. Now, our friends at RKP have sent us one of their carbon roofs, and as you can see, the quality is pretty amazing. We've used RKP parts on a lot of different cars, and the reason why we wanted to go with them for the roof on this is that they have experience of making carbon roofs going back to the E92, so we're quite confident it's going to fit, it's going to last, and it's going to look good. Overall, the quality of the carbon is absolutely amazing and what we come to expect from RKP. It has the weave, so it joins in the middle, and hopefully when we make the Evero kit, I'll try and follow that weave through to the diffuser and the front lip if it's possible. So Ish has already taken the windscreen out, so the process is to take the glass out, take the welds off the metal roof, and then bond this roof on. So we'll let him get on with that process and we'll join you on the other side. So the Supra has now been returned to us. It has had the RKP roof fitted by Ish at Quattro Coachworks, and it's also been de-wrapped. So this car has always been red, but we wrapped it for Essen Motor Show 2019 and had that green and black scheme on it. And the reason for going back to red was, and the reason why we chose a red Supra in the first place, was when we were going to design the Evero body kit for this, we knew the red would contrast really well with the carbon fibre. That body kit is almost ready. We're hoping to have first sets ready for SEMA, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys that. But for now, the RKP roof does look exactly how I would expect it to. Ish said it fitted like an OEM piece. It looks like an OEM piece. Carbon is very good quality, as I would expect from RKP. We fit a lot of their parts on other cars, and it always looks bang on. I love the fact that it's got the double bubble there because it really brings out the carbon, and also the V which meets in the middle. One of the other cool things, if I show you around the back, is if we open the tailgate, part of the roof actually comes down into the back of this, and you can see the RKP branding in there, and they've even matched the V in the middle here. It's just a very complete piece. It looks amazing, fits really well, and I'm really looking forward to taking this car a bit further with the kit. It's almost done now. We just had a bit of a problem with the rear diffuser, That's almost sorted now, so we can go into production. But overall, the car looks amazing with that, and I can't wait to complete it with the rest of the kit. You have to excuse the, not yellow, green calipers. They will go back to red as soon as we have time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.